What's up? We're back again.
Not your girl's titties.
We're back again. Me and this idiot.
Asenkabeni.
Hold on.
Asenkabeni ntwana yami.
We're back again, and yeah, we're gonna be reacting to Joyner Lucas, Broski. Not now, I'm busy. And yeah, it's gonna be a classic. It's gonna
Why
be
is this song 5 minutes? Are you glad?
I'm up and I won't look down. Hey, long enough to see me drown. And if I ever come down, I'll be falling on the solid ground. Falling on the solid ground. Hey, long enough to see me drown. And if I ever come down, I'll be falling on the solid ground.
Today I had a conversation with one of my bros. My homie, he's been close to me since we were 6 years old. He calls my mama mom. He's seen all of my highs and lows. From school fights to sharing clothes. From b-ball to fucking hoe.
I think that's... Is this his mom or is this his mom? I think one of them is his mom. Oh, they actually look alike. But yeah.
He sat me down to let me know some things he never told me. Things he never got a chance to say or even show me. You said, I know that I don't tell you often, maybe not even at all, but I'm so proud of you and your success, broski. And I admire how you chase your dreams, that shit's courageous. Thank you for never switching up when you got rich and famous. Thank you for never giving up on me or having lesser love for me whenever we lose touch and be on different pages. I hope you know I'm here for you the way you there for me. It's crazy you done more for me than on my family tree. And when I say I got your back, just know I really squeeze and make some niggas really bleed. That's really what I really mean. I'm proud of how much you matured and grew, but you still you. The world knows you for your talent, but I know the real you. And all your traumas behind closed doors you never healed through. And all the pain you act like you don't feel, but you still do. I love the fact you keep your shit together mentally. You work hard for your respect, don't need no empathy. When people look you over and shut you out intentionally, you always said if they don't fuck with you, they will eventually. And remember when I went to prison, when I did a bid and you the only one that came to visit?
Joyner Lucas is very talented. He's very talented. I think he's
In terms of what?
Hmm?
In terms of what?
Rapping. He's very talented. I think the problem with him is that once you've heard a Joyner Lucas album, you've heard his entire discography. He just doesn't have a lot of things to say. Like, he doesn't have much to say.
I feel like I've heard this before. His content.
Yeah, he
Even the Stella Sally videos, like...
It's like that 21 Savage and J. Cole video.
21 Savage, not J. Cole, hey,
A lot.
Oh,
When
yeah,
they're sitting,
yeah. I've done this. The Humble video, it's a lot.
No, but this setup itself, where
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have a bunch of people in your family.
circle, in the,
Yeah.
feast. Simba.
But yeah, Joyner Lucas is like that. Like, he's a very good rapper. He's Eminem without anything to say. Kind of like Eminem. Kind of like Eminem, but yeah.
Put money on my books and send me pictures of some bitches. They don't make them like you no more, my nigga, you just different. And bro, you ain't have to pay my niece's tuition or set me up with that new job and try to teach me the business. Always quick to hold me down before you speak your opinion. What goes around comes around, and that's the reason you winning. But listen, I was thinking maybe, since you my broski and I've been there since we was babies, you can hit the bank and break me off with something wavy. Maybe just a couple 100,000, nothing crazy. Cause I've been hurting lately, and I deserve it maybe. And if you can't do it, that's cool, it ain't like I'll be angry. You still my broski and I love you, but that's kinda shady. Cause I've been going through some shit, it ain't like I'm just lazy. So maybe you should pay me. I quit my job cause I don't wanna work for no other niggas. Well, maybe works for some, don't work for some other niggas. Yeah, they pay good, but you know I'm a stubborn nigga. Plus I know you got my back, right? If not, then fuck it, I ain't asking again. Just don't forget who walked with you when you're back to the wind. And don't forget whose ideas that got you rapping again when you lost your passion and got lazy and was slacking and shit. And please don't treat me like them niggas that be asking for shit, cause I never asked you for a damn thing. I'd rather pull a hamstring and then run across some fan blades while jumping out of airplane or sitting in the damn rain while begging for some spare change. I'm sorry that we all can't be talented and rich like you. The little people still struggle, we ain't lit like you. And if we being honest, it don't really seem like you want me to chase my dreams so I can get like you.
Yeah. Okay, but it's splitting him.
And lately you been on some sucker shit, that's what I see, broski. I hope you know that hater shit is a disease, broski. Cause last time I checked, we was a fucking team. And just because you got paper don't mean that you better than me, broski. I know everything about you, I know every single secret. I know where you rest your head at, I know every bitch you sleep with. I know where you keep your bread at, I pretend that I don't see shit. You a greedy motherfucker, you been hoping I...
Like, you see what I mean when I say that this guy is very talented? Like, he's very talented. But the problem is, this song is a bit too late for him. This thing has been rich for how many years now? This is a new artist kind of song, whereby they're going to talk about how people switched up on them since they got rich and all that stuff. So, yeah. It's kind of weird.
I don't know, man. I'm just waiting for something that's gonna
No, I
blow
think
my socks off.
that's what I'm saying. The problem with Joyner is he doesn't have anything to say. He can rap good, like that's.
Yeah, he can construct a verse. Like,
he can rap
he's that
good,
guy.
but he just doesn't have anything to say.
Yeah, it's not unique.
Like, I don't know.
I don't beat shit. You been getting fat while I've been starving. You been buying every car and house while I've been in the garbage. I deserve everything, you got it more, and that's a bargain. You just wanna shit on me and see me falling, that's alarming. You just hoping I'm a tarnish. You don't want me to be nothing. You don't wanna open doors for me. You did a little something, but you could've did a little more for me. No wonder why your father turned his back on you, unfortunately. No wonder why your niggas set them traps on you, the sorcery. You ain't nothing but a phony. You a liar, you a snake, and you can rap, but you ain't Kendrick. You ain't Cole, you ain't Drake. Can't believe I called you family. I should shoot you in the face. Used to act like you was real, but always knew that you was fake. You let the fame get to your head, and all it did was made you whack. I always knew the day would come where you would stab me in my back. One day your money gonna be gone, and I'll be happy, that's a fact. And then you'll move back to the hood, and I'll be laughing when you back. But you my nigga, and I love you, and I wanna see you win. I wouldn't place no one above you. And you always been my friend since we was stepping in the puddles. Real niggas don't pretend, cause you my brother, you my double. You my motherfucking twin, and I wanna let you know how I appreciate the things you show me. It's kinda hard to trust niggas, that's why I keep you closely. And look, I know that I don't tell you often, maybe not even at all, but I'm so proud of you and your success, broski.
I'm up and I won't look down. Hey, long enough to see me drown. And if I ever come down, I'll be falling on the solid ground. Falling on the solid ground. Hey, long enough to see me drown. And if I ever come down, I'll be falling on the solid.
Yeah, that was the end of the video.
I'd give it a 6 out of 10. It's good, but it's like, okay, cool.
I'm not gonna rate it. It's a good. It's. But I should say that.
The problem with this thing is like this track is not creative, the video is not creative. That's the problem.
No, the video is kind of creative, especially between the
Yeah,
between
that
the
was the biggest
transition.
part.
But yeah, most videos really aren't creative. I mean, my biggest part with it's just Joyner Lucas, man. Like if you've heard a Joyner Lucas song, you've heard them all. If you've heard a Joyner Lucas album, you've heard his entire discography. Yeah.
Joyner, fun.
So yeah, he's the Black
Ke
Logic.
phelele play out there.
Hmm? Since bayibulala kuPower ngisho.
Yeah, manje awusatholi kuze indawo. Kusami.
He became a musician. I don't know what happened.
Hawu, mntwana yami abasaboosti-ke ukufaka somewhere BMF laba. Mntwana.
But yeah, that's the end of the video, and thank you. Like, subscribe, and
Suggest. Then yeah, sonibona kwezayo. Excellent.